In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up main product, bump, upsell, and downsell in GoHighLevel. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel subaccount and heading to Sites. Open your store or funnel. You can create a new one or use an existing funnel. Add a new step and name it Checkout Page. This is the page where you'll accept orders from customers, so keep the layout clean and distraction-free. Create the funnel step. A funnel step is simply a page in your sales sequence that moves the buyer from interest to purchase. Open the step and click Edit. Here you can adjust sections, headlines, and form fields. Click Insert Element. An element is a building block on the page, like text, images, forms, or specialized widgets. From the elements list, drag in Order Confirmation. This displays the customer's order details after a successful purchase, reinforcing trust and reducing support questions. Click Save, then go back. Next, open the Products tab for this step. This is where you manage the items you'll sell on the checkout page. Click Add Product, choose your main offer, and, in this example, select Antivirus. Set the price that matches your offer. Open additional options and enable Bump Product. An order bump is a small, complementary add-on shown on the checkout page that customers can add with a single click. Great for increasing average order value without adding friction. Click Save. Now add another new step and name it One-Click Upsell. A one-click upsell is a post-purchase offer that lets customers accept an upgrade or related product without re-entering payment details. Create the step, open Products, and click Add Product. Choose Web Page Design for this example and set your price. Go to Additional Options and enable Allow Multiple Quantity to be purchased if it makes sense. This lets buyers add more than one unit right from the upsell page. Save your changes. Add one more new step and name it Downsell Page. A downsell is a fallback offer shown if the upsell is declined, usually a lower-priced or simplified version. Pros: it recovers revenue and serves budget-conscious buyers. Cons: overusing it can train customers to wait for cheaper offers. Create the step, go to Products, and choose a suitable item to downsell. Click Add Product and select Basic Web Page Design, a similar, more affordable option with core features. Set the price and click Save. Finally, confirm your page flow. Landing, checkout page with main product and order bump, upsell page, then downsell page. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.